The opposition is raising questions on the focus of the government as far as the safety for Indian Railways is concerned. Remember, their accusation has been that the Indian Railways are understaffed and underfunded, and that is leading to the focus not being on the safety measures for the Indian Railways. 9 people have died in this accident and over 50 are injured. The opposition, in fact, led by Rahul Gandhi and Mamata Banerjee from the TMC, in fact, party chief and chief minister of West Bengal have been leading the charge. In fact, Rahul Gandhi has on a post on X has said that I express my deepest condolences to all bereaved families and hope for the speedy recovery of the injured. The government should immediately provide further compensation to all the victims of or their families. The Congress workers are requested to provide all possible assistance in relief and rescue operations. The increase in railway accidents in the last 10 years is a direct result of the mismanagement and negligence of the Modi government, which results in loss of lives and property of the passengers on a daily basis.
Accident hotei pare, accident karo hate nei eta fact. Kintu সাথে সাথে এটাও fact. অ্যান্টি কলিউশন ডিভাইস আমি তৈরি করে দিয়েছিলাম। এই যত দেখছেন কলকাতা মেট্রো থেকে শুরু করে বেহালা যোগাযোগ লোকালি করে দেওয়ার সমস্ত বন্দোবস্তই আমরা যতটা পারলাম করে গেলাম। সকাল থেকে পুরো ঘটনাটা আমি সকাল 9টা থেকে মনিটরিং করেছি এবং আমাদের অফিসাররা স্থানীয় লোকেরা আজকে ঈদ থাকা সত্ত্বেও অনেক মাইনরিটি ছেলে মেয়েরাও তারা ছুটি না করে বাড়িতে তারাও কাজে অংশগ্রহণ করেছে। Our junior doctors, senior doctors, nurses
have also been coordinating rescue and relief. Junior doctors, nurses have also been working to provide relief. The people who are still at the hospital, except for one case, the rest of them are largely stable. Everyone has to be treated properly and they have to be sent to their homes. We are doing all of that.
North Bengal State Transporter bus diye amra pathiyechi jara Shialdar port
we have arranged for 9 North Bengal State Transport buses in the morning so that people can reach their homes. And even the mayor has been asked to be there at the Shialdar station.
When nobody was aware the incident, I just got the information about 9 o'clock. Then I started my helping the people. And all the monitoring I did through my chief secretary, my home secretary, my district magistrate, and the police ADG law and order. And with the help of health department, we just sent medical van to disaster team, to our doctors, to medical personalities, to helping hands, to help the family and to restore the normalcy. And especially, you know, the rescue operation was over within few hours. And after getting the information in total, then I tried to come, but there was no communication. Just 4:30 there is a flight, and then I first came here to see all the patients, and patients also, there are some patients from Bardhaman, from Krishnanagar, from local also, and there are some patients.
Right, Mamata Banerjee there, in fact, speaking to the media. But let me bring in Saurabh at this moment. All right, let's just listen in once again to what Mamata Banerjee is saying.
I am sorry, एक्सीडेंट होता है, लेकिन बात ये है कि हमने जब रेल मिनिस्टर थे तब मैंने 2-3 इंसिडेंट देखा। उसका पहले नीतीश जी का टाइम में भी कई साल इंसिडेंट मैंने देखा, जो इंसिडेंट का थोड़ा ही नजदीक है। तो मैंने खुद जाके मुंबई में कोंकण रेलवे के पास जाके हम एंटी कॉल्यूशन डिवाइस उसको तैयार किया, उसको चालू किया। इसका बाद एंटी कॉल्यूशन जो होता है, जो कॉल्यूशन होता है, उसको हम रुक दिया था। लेकिन अभी रेलवे में क्या हो रहा है मेरे को पता तो नहीं है, लेकिन लोगों को अभी रेल छोड़ के बाइक लेने पड़ता है, साइकिल लेने पड़ता है। कभी कभी किसको मालूम ही नहीं होता कैसे घर जाएगा। कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन छोड़ के गाड़ी छूट जाता है, गाड़ी बंद कर देता है, बहुत सारी दिक्कत होता है। रेलवे